Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting usot dumadami. Di mo maibabaon sa limot at bahala. Maraming namamatay sa maling akala. Di ko na kailangan mag-alinlangan kung tama ang ginagawa ko. Sumpay na, kalimut ako sumpay. Titirididi. Maraming namamatay sa maling akala. Kung naakay problema sa isa kataw, idiritso. Automatic na tanan halos karon, nanay internet, na anay load. Ayaw paligoy-ligoy. Don't be hypocrite. Tell your problems. Toxic till the end. We were toxic till the end. I can't forgive you for a lot of things, for not giving me back my Tiffany rings. I never forgive you for wanting me there. You wasted my prettiest years. Back then, when I was running out of your place, I said I never wanna see your face. Ah man, I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic, cause even when I said it was over, you heard. Baby, can you pull me closer? You were blotting out a stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. We were toxic till the end. More now. Call us what we are, toxic from the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark. When you met my friend, you didn't even try with them. Ito na to. Sumpay ng kadua. His favorite game is chess. Who would ever guess? Playing with the pieces in my chest. Da-da-da-da-da. Andala na siya, guys. Di na siya kay pang love song. Pang problema na. Bye-bye. See you in the next vlog. Hello, ka-visually. Hello, co-visualizers. Kamsahamnida. Arigato. How are you? How are you? Daghang salamat. Shishe. Maraming salamat. Gracias. See you in my next vlog.